And then I need you to go to docs.google.com, docs.google.com. So you will actually see the home page of Documents, Google Documents, and then you can create your own documents. But today, we won't create our personal ones. Our activity today is actually create a note document to type in what we have learned. So that at least you can come back to office, come back home, and then refer to it just in case you forget what you learned. And then you can take down notes while you're in the class. So go to docs.google.com. Or another way to access Google Documents is, if you go to your Gmail, you can click on Drive at the top bar. That's another way, an alternative way to access the Google Docs. Okay, so let's go to docs.google.com. Okay, so for me, I use Google Documents a lot, and especially for work. Our department use Google Apps a lot, so you'll see a lot. But if you do not have documents in your document account, don't worry. You will still see the Create button at the on the left, top left. So today, we will learn how to create a document. So if you click on Create, you will see different types of documents that you can create. But today, we'll create only the document. At your own time, you can explore about how to create presentation and things like that. If we have extra time at the end, I will go through a little bit briefly about all the others. But today, we'll concentrate on the documents. So let's all click on Create and select Document. Everyone with me? So create a document. All right. So the first thing you'll see is this screen. It's a very blank screen, but all of you should be familiar with Google Docs already because we tried it out just now, right? So first thing, of course, you need to name the file. So how to name the file? Just click on the top left-hand corner, Untitled Document, just click on it, and then a box will appear. I will type this as Google Workshop, Google Document Workshop. What we will do today is actually create our personal document for us, for myself, to actually note down what we learned, like what is Google Docs, and what features it has, and possible uses of Google Docs for your own personal and for your work. So just title it Google Document Workshop, and then click OK, and then all the titles will be done. Okay, so you can just type in what you want to take note of. For me, I want to, trying to reconnect in my screen because I think the Wi-Fi is still connecting. Okay, so it's okay. So I'll just type in what is Google Documents, and then type in what it is, features, and also possible uses. So I just want to take note, like what is Google Document? It's an online word processing application. I can save it online. Features, I can save documents online. I can see revision history and things like that. You do not have to follow what I type in, but because personally, what you think is useful for you and your work and your personal life, about Google Documents, you just can take note of it. And also possible uses. For personal use, I would say documents will be useful for me when I actually want to write a proposal, or I want to write a P letter for someone or something. And also for budgeting. For work, I would say for my meeting minutes. And also guides. I do help tutorials for our colleagues, the people who I work with. And also I want to actually highlight this and make it a header. So as you're typing, you should see at the top of your screen, there should be the word saving, or all items saved as you're typing. So every time you type, it will save and save and save. So let's type in, and you can try the formatting options. And also, this is useful if you are copying a work from a Word document. Let's say this document. This is for I created for work. I am copying this, just this section, into my Word document. Let me just copy and paste. And sometimes you will see funny characters and formatting. And the font for the original document and the one you copied and pasted is different. So I don't want that. I want to strip off all the formatting and do a formatting differently. This is very useful for me, at least, and my colleagues. Just click on Format and clear the formatting. And then it will clear all the different types of fonts that you use in the Word document. So again, you can just clear formatting if you copy and paste from a website or a different document. Maybe I'll just go to Channel News Asia and just copy something, right? And yes, you can copy and paste pictures, but of course, don't forget to name your source if you are sharing this document to a different person or actually a different institute. Just don't forget to name your source. But if it's just for yourself, it's fine, for me at least. So you can see that this formatting and the link is intact. I don't want all these different types of font. I will highlight this and then click Format and click on Clear Formatting. So the font will actually follow the default font of your current document. So that's how you actually strip off all the different formatting from a different website or different document that you're working on. Okay, some of you may need to insert an image, for example. I want to insert an image. So if you have an image with you, click on Insert and select Image. And then everybody with me? So insert an image. Just click on Insert, Image, or you can drag and drop if you're using Google Chrome and Firefox. That's why we recommend that you use Google Chrome or Firefox, because you can do this. Let me just open up a folder with my picture. I'll just drag it inside, and then it will upload. You don't have to click on Browse and things like that. Okay, so I've actually inserted a document, an image. Sorry, and then I want to make it smaller.